Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng ating Google Calendar. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And once you learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video mula sa ating Android phone, pumunta lang tayo sa Google Play Store. Then mula dito guys, tap lang natin yung search or pumunta lang tayo sa search bar. And then i-type natin is yung Google Calendar. So search lang natin and then open natin yung Google Calendar. So kung hindi pa updated guys yung inyong Google Calendar, update yung nakalagay dyan. Pero kung updated na yan, open na lang. So since nga hindi pa to updated, tap natin yung update. And wait natin guys hanggang sa matapos ma-install. So ayan guys, after ma-install, tap natin yung open para directly mapunta tayo sa pinakang application. And ayan guys, updated na yung ating Google Calendar and lalabas na dito yung mga future holidays, regular holidays, and then yung mga events sa ating country. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-update ng ating Google Calendar. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!